with it now?
Huh?
What's wrong with it now?
What?
Your bike?
None?
No.
The stereo was screwed up, and I heard. So, what do you think of the new bike? New cams?
Yeah, it runs great.
What can we put in there?
For all the guys with the negative comments,
Eat this.
I didn't need adjustable, nothing. It's a bolt-in cam.
It bolted right in. So once that lifter calmed down, it quieted up, right?
I
need to put one in my shit too. How much you pay for it?
Too much.
A lot.
No, you didn't. You paid $250.
No, I didn't. I wish this man was like that. This is for the views that want to hear a fucking bike run.
Hey, quit swearing
Excuse
my
my
video.
language.
No, you don't. You're bad as Walker.
Sorry, I learned.
That guy right there.
What's up, man? How you doing, dude? All right. I'm lighting up. I can come around.
Hey, don't worry about the clutch. Where you gonna put that?
What? Gonna go on the C10.
Where's that fit?
C10.
You hanging off the kicker over here? There goes the cop.
There you go. Just gotta do it. Gotta hook it up to the fucking chain. Belt up.
Show off. Cops are going every direction. So where's he gonna put that on the back seat? Put that behind the lunchbox?
Yeah. Yeah. No, just make sure that this bolt fits in there nice.
Oh,
and
he's
stuff.
over there again. Can't see shit over there. There you go. That sounds like a Harley.
Sounds like a Harley.
If that was a wheelie, it was a lousy job of it. Yeah, it's a lousy job. All right. Yeah, hit that truck. Yeah, truck's right in front of him, dead stop. Across the street. How's this one running?
Amazing.
Right.
Yeah, it's been running really good.
Nah. That clutch makes a difference. I can't fit it all.
Yeah, I know it
Guess you gonna keep.
So it spins a tire, but how's it run?
is.
Guess you gonna keep going like this.
Huh?
Gonna keep going like this.
No, it ain't.
So it spins a tire, how's it
No,
run?
that's what I'm saying. It's gonna come up.
That's what I mean. It's gonna come up.
Oh, okay.
They didn't come up.
It's gonna like burn out.
Oh nah.
Yeah.
Nah, it's gonna keep going like this.
Yeah.
So how's it run going down the road when you're not burning the tires up?
Fucking thing runs great. Excuse my language again, ladies and
No,
gentlemen.
you don't. You keep swearing. I'm going to have to cut this video off.
Yeah, you know what?
So how's it run on the rocks or real free when you hit the throttle and go? Does it pick up a lot more in stock? Or?
Yeah, it opens up quite a longer bit. It's got it's more wide open. Stretch the gears a little longer. Feels great.
Yeah.
Highway is great.
We put the mid-range cam, not the low-end cam. How's the torque downstairs with a bigger cam?
Makes me want to do more work. Just that night and day difference. It's night and day difference.
Yeah, you sound impressive now. Did you retune it? They want to know if you retuned it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
a couple
no.
more things.
Yeah, no, that contradicts the
Hasn't
first
got
one.
tuned in yet.
That means the stock tune's still working. You got a tuner on it already?
It's got a
So
It's got a power commander on there.
It's already had a power. It's already been tuned before, so it still works. All right. Well, there you go. Does lousy wheelies, but does good burnouts. But it runs good down the freeway too. So there you go. There you go. See?
Hey, that's all that counts. As long as you can burn a little bit of tire.
That's
Drop
right.
a gear and get out of there.
Yeah, we're not doing wheelies. All right. So there you go.